Land transportation, which includes roads and rails, is widely used for both people and goods. It is relevantly inexpensive, offers door-to-door service, and is best to short to medium distances. However, it can be slower over long distance, affected by traffics, and less efficient for bulk cargoes. Next is the air transportation. Air transportation is the fastest way to travel or move goods across long distance, ideal for emergencies or perishable items. But it is the most expensive, has limited cargo capacity, and is highly affected by weather and security regulations. And for the last, we have the water transportation. Water transportation is excellent for moving large, heavy, or bulk goods over long distance at low cost. It's energy efficient and suitable for international trades. On the downside, it's very slow, limited to areas with port access, and can be delayed by weather or port congestions.